Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Backpacking with Buckley. Today, I am at Hitchcock Nature Center outside of Omaha, Nebraska in the Loess Hills of Iowa. I'm joined by a good buddy of mine named Wyatt, who I haven't hung out with in a great deal of time. There's my hammock. I want to keep that in the background. But joined by him, and he is literally a marathon runner, so our hike in did not suffice for his daily training. So he's out jogging the extensive hills out here. Well, I am lazy and waiting at the campsite for him to go ahead and do his jogging. But gonna have a little weekend adventure here at Hitchcock Nature Center. Whitney's gonna join us tonight. She's running a little behind and hopefully will be here soon. But we are set up on this little peninsula back here with a pond adjacent. And that is not ideal for those of you that do a lot of camping, just because I'm worried about condensation throughout the evening. But I'll give you a little 360 here. My choices of trees are either full undergrowth deadfall, single trees, more deadfall and thorns like crazy. Tons of thorns over here, single tree, major hill, which I thought might be interesting, but a long way from the campfire. Or I even thought about trying to rig something up here, but it's half burnt and a little dangerous looking. Which brought me right back to where we started. Peninsula. So we'll call it mini Florida vacation tonight. So welcome to Hitchcock Nature Center. Let's go on an adventure.
Oh, can I tell you on the MIC, yeah. Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. This and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. Reckon it's again my turn to win some more, learn some, but I won't hesitate no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Say hi. Whitney's here, everybody. And she is far more innovative than I am, so somehow she thinks she's going to hang from these two trees. Wyatt, are you nude in there?
What's up?
Hey, bud.
Hey. We're gonna eat soon or what?
You're not nude?
See, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and dang, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love.
Wyatt, what are you having for supper tonight?
Madras lentils.
Oh yeah, Madras lentils. You've all heard of them, right?
A
Folks?
Costco favorite.
Oh, it's a Costco item. So what are you going to eat with that? Just eat them right straight out of the bag?
Yeah. Yep, I'm gonna eat them straight out of the bag. And I also had some tuna fish.
Wyatt eats slightly healthier than I do. He was just mentioning that his wife's a good influence.
No more, it cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to.
Morning, everybody. Morning, babe. So we're hoping for a sunnier day today. Got down to about 40 degrees last night. We all slept warm. Wyatt is making his coffee on the peninsula. So today we're gonna head to another campsite, do some day hiking. All the fun stuff you can expect. There's Wyatt taking the walk of shame with his trowel.
Hey yo, this your boy Sikila, alongside Keywords, Micro Styling, 691 represent. the ruckus. Now we jam. Steer it up, little darling. Steer it up, little darling. Steer it up. Come on, baby. It's been a long, long time since I got you on my mind. Oh, oh. Now you're here. I said it so clear. There's so much we could do, baby. Just me and you. Steer it, come on and steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Little darling, steer it up.
Look at the gams on that guy. Wow.
I'm thirsty. Come on and pull me down before when I'm happy. Your recipe is darling, it's so tasty. When it's so me and I stir it in my party. So stir it, let the darling. Stir it up now, darling.
So we discovered by cooking a Spam single up that Wyatt, he's embarrassed to admit he's never had Spam in his life. This is the first time Spam will be gracing his lips. Give us a 5 out of 5 review after you
Yeah, sure.
after you
This
chew
is
on that baby.
fairly charred on one side, and the other is flabby and pink. So I'm gonna give it a little review here. The char actually gives it some nice flavor. Well done.
Spam, 5 out of 5.
I'm giving
4
it
out of 5.
4.5 out of 5.
4.5. We'll take it. Wyatt's first Spam experience. Congratulations, Wyatt. That's what 11 miles looks like. This is what half a mile looks like. On tonight's edition of Bushcrafting with Whitney, we have ourselves a over the fire pot holder because we're out of fuel for the pocket rocket. Not scripted. That's some well-stacked wood there, Wyatt.
Nice wood pile. Nice pile of wood.
Took a little journey to the unknown, and I come back changing, I can feel it in my bones. Fuck with the forces that our eyes can't see. Now the darkness got a hold on me. Now the darkness got a hold on me. How long, baby, ever been away? Oh, it feels like ages, though the same only days.
So conclusion of night 2. Wyatt has gone off to bed. We're all pretty zapped. Had a massive fire for tonight, and we had a great weekend. So thanks to Wyatt for coming out. We'll show you a little bit of the hike back to the car tomorrow probably to end it off. But great weekend, and see you in the morning.
Good night.
I have seen what the darkness does. Say goodbye to who I was. I ain't never been away so long. Don't look back, those days are gone. Follow me into the endless night. I can bring your fears.
So good morning, everybody. On our hike out, was a wonderful weekend. Say our official goodbyes when we get to the car. But it's a beautiful morning here in the Loess Hills. So we're gonna hike out of here and get something to eat. Either the traditional burgers or tacos, we can't decide. So we have officially made it to the parking lot. Back to the Subaru, which we drove down today, so it's running good again. Thanks for joining us, Wyatt. It was an awesome weekend.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks for coming along, babe. As always, thanks for joining us at Backpacking with Buckley. Be yourself, be happy. Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you.